We have seen that when a metal target approaches this radio frequency electromagnetic field, when it enters, the eddy current are introduced into the surface of that target, which results in a loading effect, and that is called as damping or damping. This damping causes a reduction in amplitude of the oscillator signal which is generated. So remember, when there is a target enters into the radio frequency electromagnetic field, the eddy current is introduced on the surface of the target, and which results in a loading effect or damping effect. This damping causes a reduction in amplitude of the oscillator signal. Detector circuit detects the change in oscillator amplitude. Then detector will switch on at specific operate amplitude. So there is a detector circuit which we have seen. Trigger or detector circuit detects the change in oscillator amplitude, and this detector will switch on at specific operate amplitude. This on signal generates a signal to turn on the solid state output, and this is often referred or called as the damp condition. So the on signal generates a signal to turn on solid state output circuitry. So this is how entire circuitry works, and this often is called as the damped condition. So you can see here the sensing field, the target enters into the sensing field, electromagnetic field, then due to which the eddy current is introduced, and this causes the reduction in amplitude. Then target or detector circuit identifies the reduction in the amplitude, and at a particular value it makes switch on, and due to this the output switching device will make signal on, and this effect is called as damping effect, damped condition.